The given VI graph is representing which device? Option A is given as light emitting diode. If the VI characteristics show a sharp increase in current after a certain threshold voltage in forward bias and no significant reverse current, it could be an LED. So here option A will not be the correct answer. Let us check option B. Option B is given as Zener diode. If the characteristic shows a sharp breakdown in reverse bias with little forward current, then it will be the Zener diode. But here the given graph is not synchronizing with the statement, and this is an exact graph of Zener diode. So option B is also wrong here. Let us check option C. Option C is given as photodiode. Photodiode will have a current increase in a reverse bias with getting light exposed. So option C is also wrong because this is the actual VA graph of the photodiode. So VI graph of a solar cell shows the photocurrent behavior with illumination and significant open circuit voltage. So here the given graph is looks like solar cell device only. So depending on a specific shape of VI graph, you can choose the most appropriate option, solar cell, option D as an answer.